Hi everyone, welcome to the Dragonfish video tutorial series. And in this episode, we will unbox the Dragonfish for the first time. The Dragonfish is equipped with an air transportable and secure container, tripod storage case, and battery box with 4 batteries. We can click once on the battery power button to check the current battery level. First, rotate the lock clockwise 90 degrees to open the main case. Open the lid. We can see the aircraft body, the ground station, the base station charger and data cables, battery compartment, battery multi-charger, and accessory kit. When the top layer is pulled up, we can see the tail end of the aircraft, wingtip propellers, wings, the second battery compartment, dual sensor gimbal, spare wingtip propellers, base station antenna, and base station antenna feeder. Please check to see if you have all the mentioned items. Thank you for watching. We hope now you have some insight into what comes with your Dragonfish bundle. For more videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Refer to the video description below for more information. And I'll see you in the next one.